NASCAR races are hard on the ladies. That's all there is to it. But where I'm different from you is I don't criticize when a lady tries it. I cheer them on.
NASCAR fans, buckle up, because we've got some major news coming out of the NASCAR Xfinity Series. Hailie Deegan and AM Racing have officially parted ways, and Joey Logano just rocked the number 15 at Chicago. And veteran Kenny Wallace came out in support of Deegan, while he also had a lot to say about women in NASCAR. Yeah, it's a lot to unpack. Why did Hailie and AM Racing part ways so suddenly? And do you think Logano's performance was the game changer? What did Kenny Wallace say? We've got all the hot gossip and more right here. On Monday, AM Racing dropped a bombshell on their social media accounts, announcing that Hailie Deegan is no longer their driver. Less than a week after pulling her from the number 15 Ford and replacing her with Cup Series champ Joey Logano for the Chicago street course race to evaluate a few things, the team made it official. The statement read, AM Racing and Hailie Deegan have decided to part ways, effective immediately. We are grateful for Hailie's contributions and dedication as the driver of the number 15 Ford Mustang during her time with the race team. We wish Hailie the best in her future endeavors and look forward to her continued success on and off the track. Talk about a sudden change. But why the split? Last week, the team hinted they wanted to improve their competitiveness with some input from Logano, and boy, did he deliver. Logano finished 8th in the Chicago race, marking the team's best performance of the season. Hailie's been busting her butt to make a name in the Xfinity Series, and it's clear she's not backing down after this setback. Stay in the fast lane. For more interesting content, click the I button and sign up for our NASCAR newsletter. Now, NASCAR veteran Kenny Wallace also weighed in on the situation and had some interesting thoughts to share.
Hailie is in a man's world. She's trying to do the impossible, and I admire her for that. This NASCAR deal is a complete different world. Men and women are not equal.
Wallace pointed out how stock car racing is a completely different beast, saying,
Danica Patrick said it best. She said, Kenny, there's thousands of men race car drivers, and Kyle Larson and Christopher Bell's the only ones to make it. And there ain't but about one lady, and it's Hailie Deegan. It's hard on the ladies. NASCAR races are hard on the ladies. That's all there is to it. But where I'm different from you is I don't criticize when a lady tries it. I cheer them on.
Hailie's definitely breaking barriers, and Wallace believes she'll bounce back stronger than ever. So, what's next for Hailie? She's made it clear that she's laser focused on finding the best opportunities to get back on track. But what about AM Racing? They haven't named a replacement for Hailie yet, either for the rest of the season or for this weekend's race at Pocono. It's going to be interesting to see who steps into the number 15 Ford next. What do you think about this news? And who do you think will take over the number 15 Ford? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get this discussion rolling. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more interesting stories and updates from everything NASCAR. Do share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep the conversation going on. Lucky dog on track.